Hello, children. How are you all doing? Today we are going to learn about patterns, and this is part 1. Before learning what patterns are, let us look at few pictures. In this t-shirt, can you see something? What do you notice? I notice that there is an owl. Very good. What else? I also see that this picture of the owl is there on the entire shirt, on the full t-shirt. This picture of the owl is there. So one, it is this side, the second time it is this side, then one it is this side, then the second time it is this side, and like this picture is coming again and again. On this picture, these are bricks. So what do I say? The long bricks. Then if I move, short bricks. Again, long bricks, short bricks. Long, here also long bricks, short bricks. And like this, I can see long and short happening again and again. In this also, you can see square boxes repeating again and again. Black, white, black, white, black, white, like this. And in this is a picture of a Hawa Mahal. You can see this portion, this window repeating again and again. In this, here also, here also. In this, you have seen these tiles in your home, right? This circle is repeating again and again. So this is a pattern. Now let us read what patterns are. Patterns are a sequence of numbers, shape or colors that is repeated again and again. So patterns ऐसा sequence है जो बार बार अपने आप को दोहराता है. It repeats again and again. Let us see some examples. So this is the first pattern. Yellow flower, pink flower, yellow flower, pink flower, yellow flower, pink flower. So what is the pattern here? The pattern is yellow flower and a pink flower after that. And this is repeated here, 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 and here. So see, it is repeating again and again and again. So this is a pattern. Here also, let us see the pattern. Orange heart, yellow heart, green heart, again orange heart, yellow heart, green heart, again orange heart, yellow heart, green heart. So what is the pattern here? The pattern is these three colors being repeated again and again. Now see for yourself. This, then again orange, yellow, green, then again orange, yellow, green. So are these two are patterns because they are repeating again and again. Let us see two more examples. This is the sun, this is the moon. Raat, day comes and then night comes. Day come, then night comes. Day come, then night comes. Day come, then night comes. So this day and night are repeating again and again. So they are in a pattern. ये एक pattern है. Now let's see these signs. Right, down, up, then again right, down, up, then again right, down, up. So what is the pattern here? The pattern is these three are repeating. So right arrow, down arrow, up arrow, right arrow, downwards arrow, upwards arrow. So this is the pattern. So I hope you are clear with patterns. Patterns are sequences जो repeat करते हैं बार बार. Now let's do an activity. I will use three shapes, okay? I will use this diamond, this square, and this circle to make a bracelet. You can also make a bracelet with me. Take a thread, एक धागा लो और उसमें आटे की गोलियां या फिर you can use beads और पुराने मोती from mummy's साड़ी or suit. You can use those to make this bracelet. Let us make the bracelet. I put the diamond first, then I put the square, then I put the circle. Now I repeat this: diamond, square, circle, diamond, square, circle, diamond, square, circle. And like this, my bracelet can be made. I will tie this dhaga, tie this thread on my hand, and it will be a bracelet. But what is the repeating pattern here? The repeating pattern is these three: diamond, square, circle, diamond, square, circle. Like this pattern is repeating again and again. Now, your homework. So, you will make patterns. Are you excited? For the first pattern, you will make a pattern using pencil and eraser. In the second question, you will make a pattern using atta. So, you can make balls with atta, make squares with atta, but don't baste it, okay? You can also use roti. मेक अ पैटर्न यूजिंग अ ट्रायंगल एंड अ स्क्वायर. एक ट्रायंगल और एक स्क्वायर को यूज करके पैटर्न बनाना है. मेक अ पैटर्न यूजिंग द कलर्स पिंक, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू. पिंक, ग्रीन और ब्लू से पैटर्न बनाना है. लेट मी शो यू द एग्जाम्पल फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ कैन आई मेक अ पैटर्न? I will put two pencils, then one eraser. Two pencils, one eraser. Two pencils, one eraser. So what is the pattern? This is the repeating pattern. मैं इसे बार बार repeat कर रही हूँ. And like this, I can make a pattern with pencils and eraser. Make your own pattern. You will enjoy a lot. I will see you next time. Be as creative as you can and send pictures. Bye bye.